Did you know that cauliflower is a master of disguise? Yes, it can transform itself into a delicious and healthy rice substitute. Today, we're going to unveil the secrets of this versatile veggie as we dive into a recipe that's both scrumptious and good for you, the keto cauliflower fried rice. Now, you might be skeptical. You might be thinking, how can this bland veggie turn into a mouth-watering meal? Stick around, you're in for a flavorful surprise. Begin with a fresh head of cauliflower. Break it apart into florets and place them in a food processor. Pulse until the cauliflower forms a texture similar to that of rice. Once that's done, take your pan and heat some oil in it. Add diced bell peppers, carrots, peas for a burst of color and flavor. Meanwhile, scramble some eggs on the side. Now it's time to put the cauliflower rice into the pan, mixing it thoroughly with the veggies and eggs. Make sure it's well combined. And for the final step, add a splash of soy sauce or coconut aminos. This imparts a wonderful umami flavor to your dish. There you have it. Your cauliflower fried rice is ready to be served. A humble vegetable turned into a star dish. A healthy and delicious meal awaits you. Now, the moment of truth. Will our cauliflower rise to the occasion or will it crumble under the pressure? Here we go, folks. Our first bite into this surprising concoction. A symphony of flavors dances on the tongue with each grain of cauliflower rice. The veggies add a colorful crunch, and the eggs give it that classic fried rice feel. Oh, and that hint of soy sauce, a culinary masterpiece. There you have it, folks. A tasty, healthy, and low-carb meal that even your picky eaters will enjoy. Give it a try and let us know how your cauliflower rice turned out. Remember, every cauliflower has the potential to be a star. Before we wrap up, we have a little request for all our wonderful viewers out there. If you enjoyed this video and our surprising cauliflower delight, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious and healthy recipes. We have a lot more culinary surprises in store for you. Every like and subscribe helps us to continue bringing these creative dishes your way. So don't be shy, click that button and join our food-loving community. Thank you for watching and for your support. Stay tuned for more, and remember, every cauliflower has the potential to be a star.